see. I carry God so I cannot. Steady increase in the commands. Original no be parody. You know it's clear for your memory.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Gel X Matcha nails. We're going to be focusing on the design today. So I already did one nail just to see how it would come out, and it looks so cute. So let's hop right into it. Right now I'm starting off with the base color. Oh, let me show you guys the inspo. So this is the inspo right here from this creator. Her tutorial was super cute and super easy to follow. And then I also got this picture from Pinterest that I wanted to reference while doing the nails. This is also in real time, so you get to see how long it took me. Honestly, Gel X nails are super fast. Like, it shouldn't take you that long. I think this whole process, without me like referencing videos and like having to like set up to record and stuff, this could take you an hour to do. It should not take you that long. So we're starting off with the base color. I did 2 coats of this, and then once I finish this, we're going to be starting off with the design. Now it's time to start the design. So first I'm taking my blooming gel and I'm applying a good layer on. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you apply a nice even coat so that the color will expand and it will travel properly. And then you're also going to get your little color palette and you're going to put all the colors you want to do on the side. On my palette, I have the darkest green, and then I also mixed green and white on the side there, as you can see, and then I also have white. So these aren't the exact color of like what a true matcha would be, but this is what I had, so this is what we're going to work with. And I feel like it turned out just as cute. So from the design previously that I showed earlier, you have the darker colors meeting with the lighter colors toward the bottom. So you just want to focus on that. Honestly, you really don't need to overthink the process. I feel like you just have to let the colors expand and then just put the new colors or whatever color you want to put in the right places to make sure it looks nice. But it's a very simple and straightforward design. Like, it's not too complicated. So the only thing that I won't be doing from the design, she does like soap bubbles to like put the imprint of the bubbles on the nails, and then also she uses solid gel to do the ice cubes. I did like the water droplets slash just using the droplet method with the rhinestone gel, because I couldn't find my solid gel and I did not feel like looking for it. So those are the only two things that I changed from the original design, but I think it still turned out very cute. So now we are just repeating that same process again, applying a nice even layer of the blooming gel. Make sure you get every little crevices, because I've experienced when I haven't put enough blooming gel on a nail I'm trying to do a design. So make sure you put a nice good layer, and then you're going to start off with the darkest color at the top, which is the dark green. Drag it down, make sure it's swirling, and then you're going to add the lighter colors at the bottom.
Try to hide, but something broke. I tried to sing, couldn't hit the notes. The words kept catching in my throat. I tried to smile, I was suffocating though. But here with you, I can finally breathe. You say you're no good, but you're good for me. I've been hoping to change, now I know we can change, but I won't if you're not.
Now I'm just going to top coat all the nails I did the matcha design on, and then after we finish top coating, we're gonna add the little droplets to represent the ice cubes, even though they're not ice cubes, but it's okay, we're just gonna use what we have. So you want to make sure you evenly distribute the top coat on top of the nails. I'm using I think it's Mia's Secret Glass top coat. I think it's the one with the pink labeling on it. It either says finishing top coat or glass top coat. Y'all let me know which one y'all like. I used to use, well, I still like using the not polished one. That one has a little bit of a thicker consistency. I would say that's perfect for when you're doing like bling designs. But this one, oh, there it is. Haha. You can see it in the background right there. So y'all let me know which top coat y'all like to use. I've also used McCart top coat. I'm not the biggest fan of that one. I don't know, like, some quote unquote, it doesn't really matter what top coat you use, but I'm telling you, certain brands have certain consistencies and it just depends on your preference. So let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think it doesn't matter, or you definitely agree it matters and you like using a specific brand? For the ring finger, I am gonna add a kawaii junk nail. I just need bling on my fingers. Like, I'm the type of girl, I used to have fully like bedazzled nails. Now I'm chilling because honestly, one, I'm a little bit lazy. Two, I'm a little bit lazy. And that it'd be, well, junk nails don't really take that much time, but the way I like it takes a little bit of time. And then the length too, this is actually a pretty short length for me, this almond. On the box it says medium. This ain't, I mean, excuse me, it says extra long. This is really not extra long, this is long to me. I'm used to having double XL, triple XL bedazzle nails, so this is definitely a calm set to me. So I have to add my bling on there or I won't be happy. So we are taking, okay, so first you do, this is the way I do my junk nails. So first you add a layer of top coat, and then you put on the rhinestone gel. Usually I have the hard rhinestone gel to do the junk nails because it stays in place on the nail and it doesn't slide off, but I didn't have any, so we're just gonna use the looser consistency one, the one that comes in a tube. So I already placed all the charms I wanted out previously, so I'm just sticking them on the nail. As you can see, they're already sliding off and it's super annoying. That's why I like using the thicker consistency gel for the junk nail placements, but you know what, it's okay, we're gonna work right through it. So right now I'm just trying to make sure that everything is in the position I would like it to, and make sure all the charms I want are on the nail. So it's gonna be a little annoying, but I did it.
We can't fix it if we never face it. Let the past be the past till it's weightless. We can be
Now I'm taking the rhinestone gel and adding the little droplets. Oh, look at me, I'm struggling. So now I'm adding the little droplets. I wanted them to go in sort of a curved motion, because at first I was gonna just do random like droplets, but I was just like, I don't think that's cute. So I just wanted to go in a curved motion, and each one is basically the same size. It's okay if they're a little bit smaller, but basically I wanted them to go in this, wanted them to be the same size. Then I think I want to try this design again, but maybe because I did the, as you can see if you peep my thumb, I did the other side like a coffee nail, so I did half matcha, half coffee. I used to do this all the time. I believe they're called Gemini sets, where you either do something completely different on the other nail or do something similar just in a different color. For the next time, I think I want to try like strawberry matcha maybe, or I kind of want to try the, what are they called, glass stain nails, or even like crystal nails. I think I want to get into that too, because I really like the marble design and the layering process. So I think that's what I'm going to get into next. Yeah, let me know. Actually, I kind of wanted to do like a series where I just try other people's designs. Like whatever I see, I'm just gonna try it out and do my little spin on it. I think I'm gonna really do that as well. I don't know, so many ideas, so little time. And then also for the girls who like A-Press/Gel X nails, let me know what's your favorite shape, because I like doing square on other people, but I really can't stand that shape on myself. So I like the stiletto, but their stiletto isn't a real stiletto. Like I like it sharper. But for Gel X nails, you really can't tamper too much with the nail or it's going to break. Like you really, it's the bare minimum. That's why it's like a speed service. You do the bare minimum to it and you just have to leave it in its most natural form. Like don't overfile it, you don't do too much, just slap it on there, file it a little bit, and you go as you please. So I like stiletto and almond, preferably. I think they have an XL almond and I really like those. let's see, I wish they had a duck nail. I don't think they're gonna do it because that's not quote unquote classy, because they have like all the like classic shapes. I wish they had a duck nail. I think there's duck nail gel X on Amazon if I'm not mistaken. I wish they had a duck nail. And then also I want to try the like talon nails. I think that's what I'm gonna do next, honestly. Like a nice milk white talon. Ooh, this sounds so cute. I think that's what I'm gonna do next. To be continued. Valentine's Day is coming up, so I'm most likely gonna take this set off. Let's see, if I drop the video this week, I'm most likely gonna do the week of Valentine's Day. I think Valentine's Day is a Saturday. So if y'all wanna share y'all ideas of what I should do for that, you are more than welcome to. So now I'm just top coating the top of the charms just so it'll not turn as fast as it would without me top coating it. I should do like 1 to 2 layers depending on which charms it is, so I'm just making sure that the top coats really get into the crevices of the charms. But basically I'm done. This super cute, super easy, simple nail set to do. Here's the finished product again. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the matcha in the background. Fun fact, I actually hate matcha, but you know, we gotta do it for the video.
Now winter or summer, I get Papa don't stop now. Living life, extend my fire, burning bright within the inside me. Small leeway, they mighty, then the band.